Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on languages and input, and that was a misclick. Languages and input, and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently kind of applied languages. We've got English and Spanish. So let's add new one, just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Turkish. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So we have to reorder the languages. Just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, you can change it again. Tap on it and hold it, maybe this one, and drag it to the first position. You can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, you've got only English or any other languages left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.